Story of the time I met my biological family. So as some of you may know, I'm adopted, and I do know my biological family on my mother's side, but I never met anybody on my father's side. Until, recent years. I thought it was because they knew nothing about me, but come to find out they just wanted nothing to do with me. Or so I thought. So long story short, I found out my biological father passed away in 2010. And when I found that out, it was already too late, so I could never meet him anyway. But I found his obituary online and I looked up his family members on Facebook and messaged them. I went more into detail about that in my last video if you want to check it out. But anyway, I find out that his family lived 10 minutes away from me my entire life. So I could have easily ran into them at the supermarket and never have known. Anyway, we set up a day to meet. At the time I was 16, so I definitely didn't want to go alone. So my biological grandma, who I've been close with my entire life, was really excited for me and she really wanted me to meet them, so she took me to meet them. When I met up with them, they were pretty nice and they all kept on telling me how much I looked like him. They told me that there was rumors about him having a child, but nobody knew for sure. And obviously nobody bothered to look into it. I was a kid, so I was really awkward, so I didn't say much. My grandma was doing most of the talking. The craziest thing about this entire situation is that my biological father actually had a nephew. And get this, he has a daughter that's my age, in my grade, whose name is Mia. And he has a son who's a little bit younger, but his birthday is the same as mine. How wild is that? They haven't talked to me since, but it's cool.
Story time about my touchy English teacher. And no, he did not get fired. He still works at that same school till this day. Let's get into it. This happened when I was a senior in high school, literally last year. His class was the new English class that I switched to because my other English teacher wasn't teaching me shit. So I went to the office and asked if I could switch my classes and they said yes. But only if I was willing to drop honors English and do regular English. And I also would have to be in a freshman class. I was honestly willing to do whatever to get out the class, so I was like, sure. And now I honestly wish I didn't because of this. So it first started off with him being super nice to me, which was kind of weird because I never really talked to him before. He made me like a class leader just because I was older. And every single time I walked into his classroom, he would try to talk to me. Like, not even about school, literally about anything. I didn't think that was weird. I was guessing he talked to me so much because I was older and we could relate on more stuff. This is when things started taking a turn for the worse. During tests or quizzes, he would walk around the classroom and he would always make his way back to me just so he could rub my shoulders. Or he would run his fingers through my hair. That was the biggest red flag. Then he asked me to stay after school for extra credit, like for part 2. Part 2 of my touchy English teacher. Some things I would like to add from the last video. I never had him as a teacher before, not even freshman year. I moved to that school when I was a sophomore. They told me that he was known to be creepy and that so many girls have complained about him making them uncomfortable. But they were just rumors, so I didn't think that much of it. Till that man started rubbing my shoulders in class. And it's the fact that he rubbed my shoulders and nobody else's. I was not 18, I was still 17 years old. I just started senior year. Back to the story. So he asked me to stay after school for extra credit. He said he wanted me to help him set up a project for his students, and he doesn't know what young kids like, and apparently every freshman in his class had something to do after school, so I had to do it. But since he said he would give me extra credit, I was like, okay, sure. And I definitely didn't think that this would happen. So my last class was forensics, so after school I went to his classroom. He didn't have any supplies out or anything, so I was like, what project? He tells me to reach on top of a shelf behind his desk. He was literally sitting at his desk, he could have done it himself. So I was like, okay, but as soon as I reach up on that shelf, he gets up and grabs my ass. Like for part 3, because it only gets worse from here. My friend's house, she told me that she would go to the office with me at school the next day. So the next day came and we went to the office. Well, this is what they said when we told them what happened, like for part 4. This is part 4 of my touchy English teacher. Okay, so my friend and me went to the office to tell the principal what happened. And he was acting really concerned and everything until I told him which teacher it was. Then he was like, oh, yeah, we get complaints about him all the time. And I was like, so are you going to do something about it? Why haven't you done something about it already? And he goes, well, a lot of students will make up things about a teacher they don't like just so they can get them in trouble. But I'm not saying you're making it up. Of course, we're going to have to look into it. Well, I told him that I wasn't comfortable in that class anymore and I wanted to go back to my honors English class. And he let me switch back. Well, after like 5 months, I still never heard anything from my principal. And I didn't know what better to do but move on with my life. I still saw him in the hallway sometimes and it was just really awkward. And he would smile at me as if what happened didn't happen. They basically just let him get away with it because multiple girls have complained about him before, but they didn't have any proof against him. Since there was no proof, they didn't do anything. But I feel like if it was multiple girls, something should have been done. But that's just me.